Hi everybody, I'm AlphaGun. First of all, I want to give thanks to my friend Adrian for letting me use this gun. Okay, this is a Sub 2000. Today we're going to be taking it apart, cleaning it, and putting it back together. So this is a Sub 2000, guys. So before cleaning it, you got to make sure the mags are empty. Make sure there's no ammo in the chamber. The gun looks empty. One cool thing about this gun I like is you can fold it in half and check down the barrel. Isn't that awesome? Alright, now that the gun is empty, we can get started. By folding it back, putting pressure on the back. From there on, I'll pull the pin out. Or you can use the push pin to push it through and pull it out. Once the pin is out, to set it aside. And from there on, you take the back buttstock out. Put them together and set them aside. And from here on, we're going to pull the charging handle all the way back to the spring show. Pull out the recoil spring and the charging handle. And from there on, your bolt should come out. And the bolt head. So when it says I get it cleaned up pretty good. So I'm going to start spraying it with this CPO can that I got and let it sit for 2 hours. I'm going to spray the gun down pretty good and get it cleaned up. I'm going to do most of my cleaning off camera. Take the threaded out and get it cleaned up. So I'm going to start spraying it with this can. Okay, now I got the gun all clean and sprayed. I'm going to clean off the access oil from over oiling it. So from here on, I'm going to try and clean the rest of the oil off the gun, detailed it, and get it cleaned up. Okay, right here with the keel tips, I'm just getting the rest of the oil to make sure it's cleaned up pretty good. It's not over oil. Getting all the cracks. Now the gun is clean in detail, I'm gonna be putting the gun back together. Starting off with the bolt. With the bolt head going in first. Now that that's in, I'm gonna grab the charging handle, push in, slide it forward. From there on, I'm gonna put the spring in, the recoil spring, make sure it's in the middle. Then I will put the back on, but make sure it lines up. Now I got that together, I'm just gonna put the pin back in, push the pin back in, make sure it lines up. Now I got the pin in, I'm gonna put the threaded barrel in front of the gun, screw it back on. Now I got that screwed on, I'm gonna check the gun. Pull the charger handle back, works pretty good. Slide pretty smooth. There it is, guys. There it is on the 2000 sub-2000. I'm cleaning it, taking it apart, and putting it back together. Now it's cleaned up. You can test it out, go to the range, have a good time with your buddy. Thank you for watching. That's all I have. I'm AlphaGun. Until next time, I'm out.